Hi, this is a Synergy Gradebook tutorial on importing scores. When you go into your gradebook, you want to click on the Import Scores. There is a download sample file that you want to use. When you download it, save it as the period, drag it to your desktop so you're able to access it quickly. I'm going to open up the Excel file. Once I open it up, I may need to enable the editing because it's a different version. And then I want to also make sure the compatibility mode allows me to edit. So I'm just going to OK with the menus that appear. Now I'm going to enter the assignment name and I'm going to fill down. Enter the scores, total earned over total. Now I'm going to enter the category name. What is this assignment going to go into? And then the date of the assignment. Once I've finished all of those, I'm going to add it. If it's not in the class, ignore columns I don't know. I'm going to find the file that I saved, and I'm going to click Upload Import File. It's going to give me a status of how it did. If it looks acceptable, I click Import, and I'm done.